Okay guys, hi and welcome back. This is the first project in this course. So here in the introduction we have got the introduction. Here I have the download. We don't need all of that. We don't need the customize. So in the layout, let's select in the breakpoints. We don't need it, right? In the containers we did it before. So the first thing I will start with the typography. The display, so I can copy this part for the display too. Okay, and paste it instead of this part. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, here I can make a text center, so it is centered now. Here I can make a project 1 or my CV or my company, my small company. Okay, so here I got this. What is the next thing we need? Let's search for it in the Bootstrap. So here let's start from the layout. Not here. Okay, for the container. Good. I can make a div of a container with the 2 columns. So here in the code, I can make a div with a class of container, and here div with a class of row, and here div with a class of column, and here again and another one. Okay, here I can type h2. Here I can make we are the best company with the first Bootstrap project in this amazing course. So here, sorry, not here. So here I got this. Okay, the second column we can add an image. So here let's search for a company image. Okay, we have 7 minutes left. Okay, I can get or I can make it an icon. Okay, the images. Okay, I can get this one. Okay, copy image address, and here image with the source of this source, source and not style. Okay, so here I got this image. Great. Here I can add a margin tab. So here, but in the style.css I will do it. Okay, let's make a style.css. Style.css. Okay, here in the project 1, let's connect between them. Link rel. Okay, rel equal style shaped with an href of style.css. Okay, let's get an ID here. Okay, I can make it best. Copy. Here I can make a margin tab of just 15%. I got this here. This is better, right? And here I can make the width of 150 pixels. No, 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 because it is separated already between two parts. Okay, great. Okay, and now this is okay. Let's think about how we can add more, what we can add. Okay, so we have all of that here, the containers. Let's move to the grid system and see what we can add. Okay, okay. Nope, we have added this before, so we don't need it. Okay, we have to think about it. What if I make this here? I wanna test something with you. What if I make this here PG info? What will happen? Let's check it. Here I got this into the blue, okay? And I can make it success, warning, danger, anything I want. Let's make this into active. So I have nothing here because active is white. Okay. So here again, when I scroll down, we have nothing here. Okay, let's move to the columns. When I scroll down, I don't need all of that. We have did all of that before. Okay. Okay. So now we have nothing to edit here. Okay, but we can do that later. So here I have this one. It is okay, we will do it again. And here, okay, I can make it now. So here I have the clear fix because it is not found in the Bootstrap 4.5. So here, after all what we did, I can make a dev with a class of clear fix. Okay, and here image with the source. Let's get another image from here with an icon. I want it to be icon. Okay, this one. Okay, copy image address. This I will give it a class of call md6 in float medium left and ml margin left md3. Okay, let's see what we have here. Here I got this in the left. I can edit the image, the height and the width. Okay. Okay. Height of 400 pixels, width of 400 pixels. No, 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 no. Okay, this to be just 200. No, we got the same problem. So I will edit this image. Okay, let's get an image from here. I think this will be okay. Well, just a small project. So here, okay, I can now reload the image. Now I like it. Great. Here I can add the paragraph, so I will copy and paste the paragraph from here because I do not have any paragraph to write. Okay, and here okay, great. Here I can make it into the h3 instead of paragraph. And this is the last thing in this video. h3 h3 h3, okay, h3, and finally h3. So here I got this. I think this is better. Or I can make it all of that in a dev of a container. So dev the class of container. So it will be better. So here I got this. There's a space and I like it. So this is great until now. We are done with this video. In the next video we will keep going and adding more. So good luck and have fun.